Hey, you okay? You good?
I walk too much.
Yeah, that's perfect. Feeling better than I ever felt.
What's going on, guys? I am currently in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the Nougat. It was a driving day yesterday, which is why I didn't vlog yesterday, but we drove up from Miami and got to Chattanooga last night. The goal of this trip is to end up in Albuquerque, New Mexico, but we're gonna have a few stops along the way. So today we're going to a mountaintop to get some sick views. We're going to Lookout Mountain, and we're also going to a cave. A lot of fun stuff in store today. Should be a fun day, a country day, a nature day, nature vibes. Alright, so we have this phenomenon in our family that we call the Suarez curse. Every time we go somewhere and it's empty and we, like a restaurant, we sit down, or like here, we order our tickets. In the next like 2 minutes it fills up.
Well, there's proof, but there's nobody here except us.
You don't believe the Suarez curse?
I want to go up on the mountain. They're not letting me.
But the Suarez curse is real, right?
Yeah, sure.
This is Ruby Falls, which is a cave. There's probably going to be a waterfall, I'm assuming.
How about y'all, man? Miami, FLA. Good deal, good deal. We're glad you're here.
Your elevator brought you down 260 feet into the very heart of historic Lookout Mountain.
I keep falling behind to get shots, and I'm getting scared that I'm going to fall behind the group and get lost inside this cave.
I got Miami, Florida back here.
Yeah!
Piece by piece you undress me. Doesn't matter how far where we be. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, baby. Fuck that attire, baby. This ain't designer, no. This ain't designer.
Happiest people I see on these tours, sir, are either from Miami or New Orleans, and I cannot explain why. I don't know why, but they just have a good attitude. It's the sun.
It's our weather.
Say again?
Our weather.
Your weather. Okay, that might be it. That might be it.
That rock is supposed to look like a dog.
Stop playing.
Watch your head.
Watch out, watch out.
Just.
This place is pretty cool.
Why are you whispering?
Because there's dead people here.
What? There's what?
There's dead people here.
So you don't want to wake them up?
A lot of people died here. There's ghosts and spirits. So you don't want to wake them up.
Okay, I hope you realize how important your family is, man. And I don't want to bring you down. I don't want to bum you out. Here's reality. Your friends come and go, man. I'm sorry about that. That's reality. Your family's the real deal. They want to do the family pick, go with the program. Right? You feel me? Do the fake smile, get it done.
We get a cave tour and some life lessons.
I wish we were both somebody else, so you wouldn't be somebody else. I don't wanna lay here by myself. Ain't afraid to say I'm something.
That was the famous waterfall at Ruby Falls.
Yeah.
That was like the whole point of this.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's awesome, isn't it?
That was okay. We have lost a member of the family. There he is. He rises from the darkness. Oh God, there's more. We just took way too long taking pictures, and on the way back there was rows of people waiting for us, and they all just stared at us as we walked by. It was really embarrassing. And again, we lose part of the family. There they are.
Sorry.
I'm not, just so you know, I'm not sorry.
Bye-bye, Miami. See you, man. See you, man. Go Gators. Go Gators.
And now we're at the top with the view.
I just seen you on the gram, I'm glad you're doing well. You still look cute as hell, but that don't mean I want you back. No, I ain't foolish now. I can't look stupid now. 22, I got my mind right. I learned girls like you ain't my type.
Mom, what's going on?
I can't.
What are you doing?
I can't look.
What's going through your mind?
that he's gonna fall back.
Are you upset because Gator is sitting on the ledge?
Yes. I don't know why you have to sit up there to make a good picture. It's just as good when you're just
It's
here.
daring. You gotta risk your life for the picture.
Stupid if you
Look,
fall,
he's gonna do it too. Oh my god.
That's gonna be a big splat.
Look at the photography duo here. Oh man, look at this position. I'm more worried about that than animal about Gator.
Get the zip line. Get the zip people.
What do you think of Ruby Falls?
It was okay. Oh, there's somebody zipping. Get it.
Oh, good natural reaction. We're busting out the drone.
Just because it is private property, we just ask that you get permission. Contact the marketing and immediate area before you fly drones in our areas, okay?
Well, that was a good 2 minutes. You still don't believe the Suarez curse?
It happens every day at this time.
Alright, so we just left Chattanooga and we are heading to Nashville now for lunch. Country music capital of the world or something. And I'm driving this lazy family all the way there. Alright, we made it to Nashville. We're going to the little honky-tonk street where there's a bunch of restaurants and stuff. It's like little Times Square of Nashville. It's also extremely hot here, like hotter than Miami. Right here is the Country Music Hall of Fame. And right here is where the Nashville Predators, I guess they are, playing.
Somewhere in the middle of Montana, give me all I got me. You can't keep your retirement and your so-called Social Security. Big city turning loose.
I love it!
Nashville's the best. And nice people, and it's in the south.
Why does Nashville put you in a weird mood?
I love it here. Well, listen, let me have a talk with you. I love country music. I feel like this is where my heart belongs. In Nashville. I should have been born here.
Mom, Dad. Oh, sorry.
Go Gators! Gators!
I almost made it.
What's that?
Ow.
I thought it was simple. I thought you could do it easily.
Yeah,
Jump, not sit. We just left Nashville. Nashville was kind of a weird vibe. It was like, it was cool, but I feel like it was too country for me. It was a little in your face, strong, yee-haw, honky-tonk type of stuff. We're at a random gas station in Arkansas right now. Don't really know where we are. It's been kind of a hazy last couple hours. So something kind of cool just happened. I was watching my friend Sophie's live video on Instagram, and her friend, eventually they started watching my vlogs, and I basically watched her friend watch my vlog. But it was just really cool to see because I've never seen anyone's live reaction while watching my vlogs other than my family's. It was cool to see the face that it puts on other people. I know I've said this a million times, but I'm gonna try to start vlogging more because I know there's a few people out there that really enjoy them, so I do it for you guys, those true fans. Also, Sophie and another one of her friends said that they're gonna start vlogging, which is crazy to me because when I started, it was a shock to everyone in my school, and everyone either loved it or hated it, but it was definitely like a weird thing because like it's not that common. And now to see other people like starting to do it, it's like really, I mean, it feels good, but it's mostly just weird. But I like to see it, and I hope I see it more. And I like to think that I started that wave, for that it's because of me. I think I'm gonna be editing Sophie's vlogs too, so if you need your vlogs edited, just let me know. I'm just so tired. That's today's vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that stuff, so I can sleep well tonight.
That's perfect.